Guys, again, this is my old animation from Sticky Notes. It's unfinished because my screen is cracked. And only 40% of the screen works. A lot of sound effects. Why is it not working? Because it's old. In 5 more days, it will be. In 6 more days, it will be a year old. And that's it so far. So far, that's all I've made so far. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my, probably my second longest animation on my tablet. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.